Video content has become an increasingly popular way for businesses and individuals to connect with their audience on social media. From live streams to short, ephemeral videos, there are many different types of video content that can be used on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. In this article, we'll explore the different types of video content that can be used on social media, and how you can use them to engage with your audience. Live videos. Live videos are a great way to connect with your audience in real time. Whether you're hosting a Q&A session, giving a product demonstration, or just chatting with your followers, live videos allow you to interact with your audience in a more personal way. Live videos can be a great way to build trust and loyalty with your audience, as they can see that you're a real person who is available to answer their questions and engage with them. Stories. Stories are short, ephemeral videos that disappear after 24 hours. They're a great way to share behind-the-scenes content, give your followers a sneak peek at new products or events, or just share a little bit of your day-to-day life. Stories can be a great way to give your audience a more personal look at your business or brand, and they're a great way to keep your audience engaged with your content. Reels. Reels are short, edited videos that can be up to 30 seconds long. They're a feature on Instagram and TikTok, and they're a great way to showcase your products, services, or creative ideas. Reels can be a great way to grab your audience's attention and showcase your brand in a fun and engaging way. Vlogs. A vlog, short for video blog, is a series of videos that document the person's daily life or experiences. Vlogs can be a great way to connect with your audience and give them a more personal look at your life or business. Vlogs can be a great way to showcase your personality and build a loyal following. How-to videos. How-to videos are instructional videos that show your audience how to do something. Whether you're showing them how to use your product, how to create a particular look, or how to solve a problem, how-to videos can be a great way to educate your audience and provide them with valuable information. Product demonstrations. Product demonstrations are videos that show your audience how your product works or how it can be used. Product demonstrations can be a great way to showcase the features and benefits of your product and convince your audience to buy it. Interviews. Interviews are a great way to connect with influencers, experts, or other interesting people in your industry. Whether you're conducting the interview yourself or being interviewed, interviews can be a great way to share valuable information and insights with your audience. Animated videos. Animated videos are a great way to explain complex concepts or ideas in a fun and engaging way. Whether you're using animation to create a character or illustrate a point, animated videos can be a great way to grab your audience's attention and keep them engaged. As you can see, there are many different types of video content that you can use on social media to connect with your audience and showcase your brand. Whether you're using live videos to interact with your audience in real time or creating short, edited videos to showcase your products, there are many different ways that you can use video content to engage with your audience and grow your business.